CPC is a dynamic institution of higher learning which is accessible, globally competitive, culturally and morally sensitive towards sustainable ecotourism and natural resource development. Verse 1 to Section Number 3 of Republic Act 7923. The college should provide professional, technical, and special instruction for special purposes and to promote research and extension services, advanced studies, and progressive leadership in agriculture, forestry, engineering, arts and sciences, and other relevant studies. Camiguin Polytechnic State College, an institution of higher learning in the island of Camiguin, commits to provide quality higher professional, technical instruction research, extension and production services, advanced studies, and progressive leadership in agriculture, teacher education, engineering and computer studies, industrial technology and arts and sciences, tourism, business, and public administration. To provide training in the various fields of engineering and technology, agriculture, arts, sciences, education, marine biology, and other relevant studies. To equip the students with the skills, positive attitudes, self-knowledge, and expertise that would make them functional and useful members of society. To cultivate the students' open-mindedness, critical thinking, appreciation of environment, creativity, resourcefulness, and industry. To offer a balanced education that demands quality performance from among the faculty and maximum effort from the students. To constantly upgrade the quality of its instruction in all curricular programs. To establish linkage with other government agencies, non-government organizations, and industry for alignment and synchronization of operation and industry for job placements and employment opportunities of graduates. To promote progressive leadership in research, extension and production needed to socio-economic upliftment of the province and the region, and to provide technical and special instruction to physically handicapped yet deserving individuals.